friends, it is me, HLModTech, and this week I'm going to be bringing you a vlog of my trip down to Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. This is our first time, so I'll try and show you the cool things that we see and some of the cool things that you can check out if you're ever here as well. As you can see, I am on the rooftop of our resort, and we can actually look right out on the bay. We're about 2 blocks above the bay, and I haven't explored it a lot yet because we just rolled in last night, but I'll let you know more as I learn more about this place. I'm going to also use this as a chance to test out the Pop Voice microphone that I obtained a while back. It was only about 10 bucks on Amazon. It is a nifty little microphone, portable, plugs right into your phone, or you can also use it on your PC with the little adapter. The Pop Voice is a tiny little lapel microphone. You can see I just added it right there. It also comes with this little adapter that lets you use it when you connect it to a PC. I've got to make sure I set this somewhere right now so I don't lose it as I drop it to the ground. I need to work on a much better technique for holding on to that. So let's do a quick look out at the bay. You can see right out there we have Alcatraz in front of us. We have also got a cool ferry, it looks like down there at the bottom. All of that is on my explore list for today. I'm about to go for a hike and check out what's out there. A couple of sweet little ships. You can see that they are sailing ships, and I believe I can walk out along those piers too, so maybe I'll get you a view from there. If we come over to the other side, you get to see a little bit of San Francisco, and you get to see the sun starting to poke itself above the mountains.